Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. So we're doing something very exciting today. I've been waiting to do this for quite some time. We're gonna go check out IKEA. I wanted to check out IKEA for a really long time. Pardon the vehicle noises. So we're actually on the way to IKEA. Finally, Ontario opened up its curfew. Ontario finally opened up its stay-at-home order. So things are opening up. IKEA is finally open, and I'm on my midterm reading week. So we're actually gonna go check out IKEA, and we're on our way. We're taking the bus today. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I just realized I ended the vlog too early. I didn't really show you what exactly I got. So I'm just gonna run you quickly over the things that I got, and I'm gonna add the prices here. And keep in mind, most of these things that I actually got were in offer at some kind, and I've had my eyes over these things ever since I was in quarantine. And June 30th, end of this month, all these offers are ending, so I just had to go get them all at this point. So first of all, we have, okay, this is not exactly an essential by any means, but I've been looking for a glass container kind of thingy to put all my keys, my AirPods, everything that I leave near my doorstep, so that when I'm going out I can just grab them, and once I'm in I'll just drop them there. So I've been looking for this kind of thing, and I actually liked it. It was quite cheap. It was on our offer. Yay me. And next I got this candle. This is actually a vanilla beam scented candle. This smells so good. I'm not like a bougie candle person, but this is actually for me to pray with. I don't have a lamp, oil lamp, to actually, lit it up and pray, so I just use candles to pray. And this is actually an essential. I got a set of plates and a deep bowl and a small bowl. So I literally have like one plate at home, so if anyone comes I have nothing to serve them food with. And once I actually had 2 visitors, and I made coffee. I was so happy, and I made coffee, and then I just realized I literally have 1 cup, and I'm like, guess there's only 1 lucky person today. So I actually ended up giving coffee to only one of them. They were like, it's okay. Anyways, I still didn't get 2 cups, but instead I know I needed plate. These are actually good quality plates. I have nothing to complain. It's ceramic, it looks like plastic, but it's ceramic, and it's for like 99 cents or something each. And this is like a spaghetti bowl, and I know I needed like a smaller cereal cup, cereal bowl. So that is that. And I got myself a blankie. This is actually a throw. I've been looking for a throw because I work here. This is my workstation. It gets really cold here because the air vent is right there, and I don't have anything except a duvet. I needed a throw. I know, I'm just already preparing for winter. I know it's gonna be insane. So this is preparation on its way. Why this color, you ask? Craziest thing is, this one was only $2.99, whereas the dark blue and the gray one that I actually liked was $6. So what kind of a human being will I be if I don't pick the cheapest one? So and this is something else I've had my eyes on for a really long time. I'm so glad that they were still in offer. No, it's a toilet accessory. It comes with a hand wash pump and like a toothbrush holder and like a soap holder. So 3-piece set. There you go. The pump is actually here. I'd have to assemble all of them. So kind of cute, and I'm really happy about it. I'm so glad. I think it was one of the last 2 or 3 pieces that was left. And I actually got more stuff. I got these plastic containers. I'm actually not gonna run out of containers. I got a lot of containers. These were quite cheap. It's 3-piece, and I know this quality. My friend was also recommending me this. I got I don't know why I did that to me. So I got some knives. These are, I believe these are really good quality. Again, these were on offer. I was using these tiny little knives all my life, and it's becoming a struggle because I have to work on my meat and vegetables, all of them on that. It was quite a struggle, so I have been on the lookout for a good knife. Oh my god. I got this. I got myself a duvet cover and some pillow covers. I know this might seem a little excessive, but bedsheets are kind of expensive. It's like $30-$40, like sometimes even $50-$70. I don't know why it's expensive. So this was actually kind of cheap. It was also on offer. I had to get it, and I have a pink duvet, and I just wanted something to cover it up. More than that, it's just the duvet. Like, so if it gets dirty, I have to wash the duvet itself. I think having a cover would be really happy. And oh, this is what I'm most excited about. This is one of the things I was really hoping it would be there, and I walked all over the place to find this. Dun, 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 dun. So this is actually I don't know how many pieces. A 14-piece, 4, 3, 7. Yeah, it's actually 17-piece container set. It's actually food containers. You see, I love how they have assembled all of it. I know I'm not gonna run out of containers for like the next 5 years or something. I know these are good qualities, these last a while. Maybe 5 is a little bit excessive, but still, these were really cheap, and these are really good quality than what you'd find at a dollar store. So, and I meal prep, so I just cook everything on a weekend and I store them up. So these are essentials for me. Look at me being a grown-up. Oh, this is all I got, like bed sheets and knives and kitchenware. I'm like an old lady now. Oh, and the last thing, I was quite excited about this one. This is actually a bathroom makeup mirror. I didn't have a mirror in the bathroom, so I thought I'll use this, and this is gonna come in handy. I've been trying to get a mirror from the marketplace, a second-hand mirror. They're not that cheap either. They're almost the same price as buying a brand new one. So I was like, might as well last. So I'm feeling that's about it. Like, all of this cost me a grand total of somewhere around like $55 or something. I know that's a huge split considering that I'm a broke college student. But these are things I actually wanted. This is actually the first time I went out and I got a lot of things, and I'm super excited. And I've been having my eyes on them for months, and I knew exactly what I wanted. I went with a list. But all of these were on sale, and I think it's gonna do me good. I don't know why I'm trying to justify that I need these things. I don't need these things. Just maybe it's like the fact that my parents will be watching, like, you got a mirror? you're wasting our money. I'm like, hold on, I'll get a job. And it was a strange realization. Kids who are born here are like so damn lucky. Like there is amazing things that their parents would. There was even a small armchair for a little toddler. Like, what kind of toddler would need an armchair? I mean, I barely have any chairs to sit down. Really, really hope that we'll get IKEA at some point in Sri Lanka, because we deserve it. Keep in mind, I have heard that not all of the things in IKEA is like really top-notch quality, so be mindful of what you buy. But I found some really, really cool deals, and this is like really good quality compared to Dollarama most of the times. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. Stay awesome. I'll see you soon.